Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
But yeah, check out all those little things right there. So when we were in that, we could overlook some yellow buildings at the very beginning. They were down there in this kind of Lilau area. And this is the Macau Tower up that way. It's a nice balconies right there. Seminary, Mandarin House, Lilau, Penha. There's Penha right there. So that's the church. You can go all the way up there to that church. So that's kind of a back way to it. Working the window. So this is what we were looking at from up above. So when we first started the video, you can see those. We're going to start this video out taking a look at this right in here. And we're going to be filming it down in there in a little bit. But yeah, check out all those little things right there. So we're just kind of, we're up in this, we're just going to come on out. Got these liquor bottles all the way down as well. We're going to come all the way out here. So we're going to start in that way, and that actually I think is near Lilau, which is kind of interesting. And today we're out in kind of this Lilau area, and I'm going to just kind of give you a little context where we are in a second. We'll just kind of come back this way. But you can see Macau Tower right in the distance over there, and we're kind of near this Penha Hill, so I'm going to try to go across the street here. And we're basically on Rua de Penha. So this is a bus stop up on our hill here of Rua de Penha. And I believe Rua de Penha goes all the way down to that location. There's actually a lot of interesting stuff. We're basically up on a hill. Let me see, this one is Bom Jesus. So this is Travessa do Bom Jesus. And it goes down that way. And then this Rua de Penha goes down to that base down that way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up Rua de Penha. So there's our street sign right there. So I'm gonna try to I'm gonna see if I can do that. You can see our sign right there, Rua de Penha. I think I'm gonna go up a little bit further ahead and try to find another sign because I want to stay on this side of the street. Bingo fresh. So we just went into that little courtyard, which was kind of interesting because we actually overlooked this little Lilau, which is another thing I'm gonna highlight in a moment. Golden Dragon building, edificio. Down this way it goes down to Lilau, and then Penha Street goes straight up. And I think it goes all the way up to Penha Church, or at least it goes in that direction anyways. I was kind of wondering what that structure was. Don't know what that supposed to be. Huh. So there's our sign right there, Penha Street. This is called Lilao. So when we were in that, we could overlook some yellow buildings at the very beginning. They were down there in this kind of Lilao area. And this is Lilao Street. But we're gonna continue on Lilao Street. I can't remember if I did an intro or not. Whoa. I don't know if this is private property or not. I think it's people can park here. I just want to walk in real quick because looks like there's a road that goes underneath here. And I might even go down. Like a little labyrinth of cool stuff. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh, there's a YouTuber right there. Streamer. I just saw one walk by. But if you go all the way up, it goes up to Penha Church. There's Macau Tower up that way. Some nice balconies right there. I have no idea what that building is. We're gonna walk up into this little square here. We have all these signs. St. Lawrence's Church, Seminary, Mandarin House, Lilao, Penha. There's Penha right there. So that's the church. You can go all the way up there to that church. So that's kind of a back way to it. That's our target street, Rua de Penha. Double, so I don't know, I guess this might be like some kind of factory building called Double. So we're gonna keep on going this way, and I think that's Penha Church up there. And so actually this changes. So now we have Rua de Boa Vista. So I'm not going to walk down it because that would be a different street altogether. But if I did go down it, you could see that Penha Church is up there. That's a tourist attraction. It's the highest point for a church. Macau Tower is behind that building. Right there you can see a Portuguese flag. That is I think it's called Boa Vista or Bela Vista. Used to be a hotel. So a lot of people used to stay there historically. Edificio. It's kind of an interesting door. Okay, so since that's Boa Vista, I will not go down it, but I will kind of give you the context of so that's our street right there, Rua de Penha, Boa Vista, Colegio, Calçada de Paz. So I'm just going to give a little context of where we are. So this is Travessa de Colegio. This is Double. So I don't know what this is exactly. Factory, I guess. And that's Penha Church. And this is Rua de Penha. So that was our target street today. I'm going to try to capture a different angle of it. And then that goes down to the Lilao. Yeah, and actually, I kind of want to, I should probably do a separate video, but down there is like these yellow buildings that are that we started at, and I filmed it. I can't really resist. It kind of helps you put some context into everything, because we started, and you can see those kind of interesting buildings like that, right? And we're basically just gonna walk downhill, and there's an artist here, Vincent. I've met him before. And he's I have him on Facebook as well, so I can see his art design. So he takes money from Macau and he'll create some really interesting artwork on them. And I think he was also a tattoo artist, but I think, I don't know, not sure the current status of that, but that's some of his artwork in the window. So this is what we were looking at from up above. So when we first started the video, you can see those. So we're in this Rua de Lilau, and I'm just going to try to walk into that space in a minute. But this is known for a fountain. We'll explore more of this as well in a moment. But from up above, we could see into this. So I'm gonna end it in here in a moment. Yeah, from the very beginning of the video, we could see all those up there. Pretty cool little space. So yeah, that Penha hill basically overlooks Lilau, and then this is Lilau, and you can see all of the kind of cool buildings in here. And then this used to be a fountain, so there's a fountain over there. So all of this is connected to that fountain. Kiosk that's closed today, it looks like. And then this just leads right into all kinds of really cool stuff everywhere. So on that note, we should probably end our video. So right over there is the Mandarin House, right there. That goes up to Padre Antonio Street. And then this goes all the way down to Amma Temple. So we're gonna end it here where we started on this yellow building, and we were looking up above from Penha Hill. And that'll be the end of this particular video. So another little taste of Macau for you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.